weapon training, an important subject in NCC. We will look into some important and basic parts of a rifle. So these basic parts of a rifle will help us to know about the mechanism of all other rifles, machine guns, etc. So let's get started. These are most important and basic parts of rifle. So we will be looking more deeply and more briefly about them. Number 1. Recoil pad. A recoil pad is a piece of rubber or soft material usually attached to the buttstock of a rifle. Placing the soft material between the buttstock and the shoulder of the person firing the gun. Second, stock, a gun stock, or oftenly simply stock. The back portion of which is also known as a shoulder stock, a buttstock, or simply a butt, is a part of a long gun that provides structural support to which the barrel, action, and fire mechanism are attached. Do you know we can store ammunition, cleaning material, and small parts of a rifle under butt? Third one, trigger. Trigger is a mechanism that actuates the function of a ragged weapon such as a firearm, air gun, crossbow, or spear gun. The word may also be used to describe a switch that initiates the operation of the other non-shooting devices such as a trap, a powerful tool, or quick release. Fourth one, ejection port. An opening in the receiver of a firearm through which the extended cases are thrown from the piece after firing. Fifth one, foresight. Foresights are mounted to the barrel by dovetailing, shouldering, screwing, or staking close to the muzzle, frequently on a ramp. Number 6. Rear sight. Rear sight on a rifles are usually mounted in a dovetail on the barrel or receiver, closer to the eyes of the shooter, allowing for easy visual pickup of the notch. Muzzle. Muzzle loading rifle is a muzzle loaded small arm or artillery piece that has a rifled barrel rather than a smooth bore. Extractor. An extractor is an action component that serves to remove spent casings of previous fired cartridges from the chamber in order to vacate the chamber, loading a fresh round of ammunition. Ninth one, bolt. Bolt is a part of a repeating, breech loading firearm that blocks the rear opening of a barrel chamber, while the propellant burns and moves back and forward to facilitate loading and unloading of a cartridges from the magazine. The fire pin and extractor are often integral part of the bolt. 10th one, trigger guard. Trigger guard is a protective loop surrounded the trigger of a firearm, designed to protect unwanted contact with the trigger which may cause an accidental discharge. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Like this, do like, share among your NCC friends, and subscribe Goals Virus channel and hit the bell icon